Here's what nobody is telling you about the physical therapy debt to income ratio. There's just a bunch of fear and negativity around it with no real solutions for those who want to become a physical therapist. The debt to income ratio can be absolutely horrible for those who are not strategic about the decision to become a physical therapist. If you're going to be 150K plus in debt and you're going to take a job that's $75,000 as one single source of income and no other additional sources of income, I recommend don't even become a physical therapist. There's a very high chance you'll be financially miserable and regret your decision. But I have good news. Most people fail to tell you the other side, that the debt to income ratio is in your control. Yes, you're in control as to how much debt you take out, and more importantly, how much income you make. So if you can think outside the box as to how you can increase your income, then you'll be in a favorable debt to income ratio as a physical therapist. And if you can pair that with keeping your school costs low, then you can have much more income than your debt. And in that situation, of course, physical therapy would be financially worth it. So just think about that. One or both of those factors are in your control. So if you do want to be a physical therapist, but you're afraid because of how much it costs, follow for more so you can learn how to make becoming a physical therapist financially worth it.